Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Miguel back again with a very exclusive video today because what I have in my hands is not even anywhere on the internet. There's no official videos about this even on YouTube. This is actually the latest Tekken 8 Ultimate Collectors Edition unboxing that we have today, and we have a couple of things that I'm going to show you guys, including a Jin Kazama statue and a couple of cards, and as well as a ring and the arcade tokens that come included in this box. Now the thing about this unboxing is that, first of all, as I said, it's a very exclusive unboxing because this right now is only going to be available for pre-order starting tomorrow. So by the time that you're watching this video, no one actually has this in their hands. We were able to find this locally here, so this is not really sponsored by anyone, which is why we got this before time. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it and just see what we have here. But you have to also comprehend the fact that this is also one of the first unboxings that comes officially with the Tekken 8 game inside of it. And a lot of you may be able to see some unboxings on the internet, but they don't have the game included in it. So what's different about this is that the official game, the Tekken 8 game, is actually included in the box, which is a special edition, you can say, because all of the characters are unlocked, so you don't have to go ahead and wait for them or buy new characters or play your way into unlocking new characters. So it's a very exciting unboxing that we have here today. Let's go ahead and see what we have inside the box. I want to be very careful with this because this is a collector's item. This will probably go up in value with time. So let's go ahead and unbox it. And wow, we have the Tekken 8, the T8 logo over here, which looks pretty cool. And then this livery is also something that I haven't seen on other boxes. So this looks like the specific unit that I got is also very exclusive. And let's go ahead and unbox it and just see what we have. So this is the game right up front, the PS5 game, including with the Tekken 8 Ultimate Edition right here, as you guys can see. So this is the Tekken 8 game that's included inside the box, which, as I just mentioned, this is not something that you see every day. I'm not going to open this. This is going to be something that I'm going to keep on the side. I may actually just buy the game separately and not use this at all. And then furthermore, we have, looks like a booklet. Wow, I don't want to break this stuff. I'm being extra careful. Oh wow, so this is a specific case that's used for the CDs that come before the PS5 CDs, and this is actually a metal casing. So you know they're actually outdone themselves with this because this is the normal plastic or the cardboard body that comes with it, but this is where you're actually going to be storing that game. And I should mention, guys, that this is officially, the name of this is actually the Steelbook, and the game as well is the Ultimate Edition, which means that all of the characters are actually unlocked, so you don't have to actually play yourself into the game where you have to unlock specific characters. Every character in the game is already pre-unlocked for you. Now this is what we came here for. This is the official Jin Kazama statue, the limited edition Ultimate Collectors Edition. We have some cards over here on top, which I'm gonna take out. So we have some cards over here with a couple of characters. On top of it, we have Jin Kazama, and let's go ahead and also look at the rest of the details. I'm just trying to be extra careful here not to break anything. Wow. So this is the Jin Kazama statue, and wow, that's pretty heavy actually. It's a pretty well-made statue. It's a collector's edition here, and one of the things that I really like is the 8 over here, which is made to look like an 8, but it's actually 2 chains that are back-to-back linked with each other. We have the Tekken 8 logo over here, and then we have some of the we have the actual wing over here. And one thing about the wing is that you can see that there are electric connectors here, and that's because this whole wing actually lights up, and even the 8 logo over here will be lighting up. So we'll go ahead and do that. We have the USB A to USB-C cable that comes inside the box, and then we also have a ring, and this ring is actually covered with a velvet case. This is the metal ring that comes with it. It has a little bit of a pattern on top of that. It's a pretty decent, I don't know if it fits me. Oh yeah, it actually fits me, so I may actually end up keeping this. And then last but not least, we have the Tekken 8 token over here, and Let me see if this is made up of plastic or it's metal. And these are very similar to the arcade tokens that we're using, and this is actually made up of metal. You have a very cool Tekken 8 logo over here, and you can see that's, I believe that's Heihachi, or it's another character. And then over here as well, you have the Iron Fists with the arcade logo mentioned over here. So very cool, very exclusive, limited edition. Let's go ahead and try and connect this with a USB-C connector to see how this lights up. All right, so now that we have a power bank over here, I'm gonna go ahead and connect the wing, and then we also have another connector here inside of it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but let's go ahead and connect that. Oh man, I'm just trying to be careful here. I don't want to break anything. Okay, there we go. And we have the USB-C over here, which I'm gonna turn on. Wow. Look at that. Wow. The whole wing lights up, so it's not just like specific parts of it, it's actually the whole wing, which really mimics that darker side of Jin when he goes into that mode. So that is pretty beautiful to look at. And then even the 8 logo over here, you can tell that it actually lights up as well. That looks just so good. It's very clever that they put in like 2 chains, or they're mimicking chains for the 8 logo. Just before I end this video, I just want to show you guys once again what we get inside the box. So we have the Burning Chain metal plate, which is this. We have a couple of stickers that come alongside with the cards. We have the arcade token, which I just unboxed over here. We have the ring that comes with the velvet pouch as well. We have the Tekken 8 game, the Ultimate Edition here, which comes with all the characters unlocked. And then last but not least, we have the Jin Kazama statue that is lighting up. So yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the cards as well. So we have a couple of characters over here. So we have Jin Kazama, we have Asuka, we have Claudio, Ling, Nina Williams, Lars, Jun Kazama, and Kazuya Mishima. So all very exclusive cards that come with this box. These are, again, this is the Tekken 8 Ultimate Collectors Edition, which comes with the official Tekken 8 game. This is going to be officially available for pre-order starting tomorrow. So by the time you're watching this video, no one actually has this, or even if people have this specific statue, they don't have it with the official game inside of the box. So yeah guys, wanted to do an exclusive unboxing for you guys. So everyone that's watching that's a gamer or that loves the Tekken game, this video is for you guys. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.